YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Ken Sledgexl. Knows my channel Howto. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today it's nothing else but another unboxing, and you already saw from the title it's gonna be a Timberland LUG boots. But before I jump into it, I picked up some stuff over the weekend at the outlet mall, and I went to Puma. So let's jump into it real quick, you know what I mean? So this is it was on sale. I think I paid like $23.99, 23 bucks and 99 cents. You know, it's the regular Timberland, regular Puma white shoes with gold written here in Puma, and the back is, I like these because it makes like a really simple white decent shoes that you can rock, you know, just for some casual occasions. You don't need to style it real big, but I think it works pretty good. The next one is a jacket. There you go. BMW, you know, sweatsuit. This is the top, and look at the back, it says BMW. This one was on sale, I quite remember. I'll tell you how much I paid in a minute, but let me check out. This is a large, and the original retail price was $100, but I paid way less than that. Alright, let's move on to the bottoms. So the pants right here, this is a size large as well, and it's $70, but I think I got a little bit off of these as well. So look at the pants right here, really decent, really clean, and they are both navy colorway. So this and the top and the sneaks will go very well on a casual, you know, cool night. Yeah, I paid $40 for the pants and $36 for the top, and then $21 for the shoes, because aside the sale, they were all like 30% off on top of everything. So $117 for all of those, which is a killer, you know, it's a deal. Alright, let me jump into today's main unboxing. Excuse me, I was just reaching out for the knife. And then let's cut this guy open. So I saw this on this collaboration with AIMÉ DORE. Is it AIMÉ DORE? It's a company that started in New York about 4 or 5 years ago. So they sell like luxury. Their stuff is really good, but they're so expensive. Can't even, you know, tell you how expensive those are. They have some really decent stuff, but damn, I gotta pop this guy, flip it over. It's so okay. So this is a size 9. If you could see, the AIMÉ DORE Timberland LUG boots. Reason why I got size 9. Alright, let's see. The shoes were $260 when they first came out, and they AIMÉ DORE did I think 30% off, and it came to, no, there was a sale. It came to $204, and I think they did 30% off, so $156 or something like that. And the only size available was a size 11. So I copped that. It was too big, and I decided to return it and get a size 9, which was only available at that time. So I returned it and got a size 9. Couple weeks after that, I saw on the website they have my size, which is a size 10. But the funny thing is, the 9s fit so perfectly, I don't think I needed a size 10. So yeah, So there you go. They give you like a shoe, you know, pouch that you could put the shoes in. Really clean. It's got that Timberland logo on there. I will say it's a luxury brand, you know, the $1 million luxury brand. So the collaboration was obviously gonna be a killer, you know. Let me set this guy down. It's got that Timberland $1 million paper, really clean. I think it gives it a nice touch, you know. It gives it a little clean, decent touch. But here, all right, there you go. Look at this shoe right here. Come on, tell me, talk to me. If it isn't one of your nicest lug boots, this is a seven pin lug boots, you know, 7 whatever it's called, 7-hole pin, whatever. Very clean shoes. I feel like they're gonna, the leather is gonna crease and, you know, look kind of beat up pretty fast if you don't, you know, rock it well. But the design, the looks, the colors, they just killed it. They just killed it. Leather is decent. It's not the best. It's soft, decent leather. It's got the metallic pin that says $1 million over here. As you could tell, some of the laces run through here, and then it continues from the medial side. Toe box area is just a cutout old school lug boots look. The bottoms are like the Timberland premium boots bottoms, right there. And let's see, the rope lacing is kind of like big, a little bit thick. And then let's check out the insoles. Oh, look at this. This is a shoe tree. Let's see if I can take out the insoles. No, I can't, but I'll try and see if the camera can capture it. It's got like a fur in there. If you could see, the camera can capture it. Yeah, it's really decent and clean. It's gonna keep your feet really warm during like the winter times and days. But other than that, it's a nice shoe. If you like the preppy look, sometimes it's not all the time that you can be rocking boots and sneaks and whatnot. Sometimes you need to switch it up a little bit, you know, do the formal look and whatnot. And I think this shoe is gonna do just that. I do own another Timberland lug boot, but it's the low cut version. It's the 5-pin lug boots. I will do a Timberland collection pretty soon because I feel like I'm kind of stacking up there with the Timberlands and whatnot. But I'm gonna do on feet action with this. Maybe throw on a 2 or 3, you know, jeans. I'll definitely do white. Go check it out. Wait till the on feet action. And if you haven't subscribed, if this is your first video that you're checking out my channel, please go subscribe, click the bell icon, and check out some of my old videos. I've got a lot of videos coming up, and you can, you know, leave a comment if you have anything to say. Thank you. See you next video. Bye.
Was never sober, wishing I was older. Then I went to a foster home and they told us everything was gonna be alright, and they showed us how to shine bright, sparkle like the sunlight. But I knew deep inside I was thug life. Ain't nothing changed but the way I stay humble. I ain't never had none, I was from the gutter. Me and my little sister had to struggle hard. No dad, big brother had to do his part. I swear to God that I love my family to the death. I came from nothing, so I know when there's nothing left. Last breath, stumbled to my last steps. I'ma be right there when there's no cash left. Old shoes, holes in my clothes, thugging. Ain't nobody bought me shit, so I started hustling.
I used to be used to. I used to grind in the dirt. I used to cry till it hurt. I will look up to the heavens when it's my time. never got used to. Being what I used to be. Yeah, yeah. Said I used to be a used to. But I never got used to. Being what I used to.
Yeah, yeah. Same story, living in the projects. Everybody got more, but we got less. Christmas round the corner, we had our hopes up. Waiting by the door, Santa never showed up. Salvation Army, I've been to co-ops. Soup kitchen had me eating on my old block. Nowadays I be puffing on that good kill, but I remember going shopping at the Goodwill. I can tell you don't know about that black spoon till you find it somewhere in your bathroom. Grab the damn broom, never had a vacuum. Now the street sweeper rolling with my main goons. Look, every day it gets worse. Talking about a life when you're living with a curse. First, I'ma tell them what it's worth. Everybody living just to make it to the dirt.
Used to be used to. I used to be a used to. I used to be a used to. I used to grind in the dirt. I used to cry till it hurt. I will look up to the heavens when it's my time gonna come. I used to be a used to. But I never got used to. Being what I used to be. Yeah, yeah. Said I used to be a used to. But I never got used to. Being what I used to. Yeah.
Yeah. Got shot, came back. Cops on my block. Had me running since way back. I remember selling rocks by the train tracks. With my little brother Boot, getting paid fast. Now my little brother Boot never heard of that. Cause he's out there in the stars, a little bird of that. Everybody around me know me and my life's real. I said I can't get right, and that's how I feel. Sleep with eyes wide open. Dancing with the devil, got the 12 gauge smoking. Welcome to the gutter, everybody mama rolling. You ain't never felt the heat until you had to hold it. Hold it, hold it. Until the casket closes. I'ma represent my homie. I'm doing what you told me. Look, I'm doing what you told me.
I used to be a used to.
Send that.
Used to. I used to be a used to. I used to be a used to. I used to grind in the dirt. I used to cry till it hurt. I will look up to the heavens when it's my time gonna come. I used to be a used to. But I never got used to. Being what I used to be. Yeah, yeah. Said I used to be a used to.